Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pin an application in Taskbar in a very simple way. You can see there are a lot of apps in my taskbar, and if you want to pin this CapCut app into your taskbar, it's very simple. Just simply click on the right mouse button, and then here you will get an option called show more options, and from here there will be an option called pin to taskbar. If you simply click on that, you can see your CapCut is now showing into your taskbar. You can also do it by dragging down it and paste it over here like this. If I just remove it from here, and if I drag it and going to pin it over here, you can see it's also adding your application into your taskbar. Also, you can do into start icon, and if you want to do any of apps you want to add into the taskbar, very simple. If you just drag down it and paste it over here like this, you can see your gallery is your photos apps is now showing into your taskbar. So this is how you can add pin or add applications into taskbar. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.